Before proceeding towards building a WordPress website, I would like to share requirements of things that are compulsory for building a website. So mainly there are two things. The very first one is hosting and the second one is domain. If you are not familiar with both of them, there is no need to worry. Let me explain both of things with the help of super easy example. Let's suppose you want to open a shop in your town where people can visit and buy products. So obviously for building that shop, you will need a piece of land in your town with a specific address so people can use that address and visit your shop. In the same way, we talk about internet, and if you want to build a website, then you will need a piece of land which in term of internet known as host, and host is something responsible for making your website live. Also, you will need an address which in term of internet known as domain, with the help of which people can visit your website. So in short, shop is website, land is host, and address is domain. I hope this example clarifies you what is host and domain and why we need them for building a website.